Hey everyone. I got a bunch of chairs.
No, we would know. Well, then why would Asia girls draw them like that? Yeah, what is
This
this
one here,
all about? I'm so confused. And if it
I
can
really
happen to
like the
Twink and Craig,
wrap on it
could
a
it
lot.
happen to any of us?
Yeah. I don't really care for the monster fan on top with the filter. Filter's clean, so I don't know how much this thing's been used. But anyway, nothing wrong with the fan being on top. That looks like a pretty healthy fan too. But anyway, so let's see what's going on with it. I like the cabinet too. Seems like the old X-Force style. I done did the 2x8. That one blown C transistor in it. Usually you don't see the C's go. But anyway, I put two of them in there for them, just so one beside the other. Yeah, it looks pretty cool with the wrap. Let's see here. Oh yeah. Damn it, man, got the Shibas in it too. This one here's got an ears problem. Probably not. He didn't say nothing about it. One Toshiba 2290 driving 2879s. Soldiers. Every one of them's a different lot. Well, not really. Got two with the same lot. And two without. They have them in separate locations though. Nothing wrong with that. Shibas don't mind Okay. Put this out of the way. I like seeing that. This is a newer Toshiba, so I don't know if it's having an issue on just this one or what. Yeah, it smoked it bad. Of course, didn't take out the 5-watt resistor unless somebody has thought that maybe you could just change the resistor and it would come back to life. Now, I see the input ones burn up also. So somebody just keying up on it and trying to see if it works. It's odd this one here is not burnt out. Yeah. Big openings for the transistors too. That's sweet. Let's see here. See what the tune is here. Two, Now, I did notice one thing also, that is that the variable shot out completely. Dead spot, dead spot, dead spot, dead spot. It shot slap out. It's a good output cap. One thing I don't care for, and I see a lot of it, is a lot of people don't put a foot up under here on the output. You know, it being a mobile, things bounce around. If this ever touches ground, then poof, but it's far enough up. An inch and a quarter. Transformers, and we do look like we have 43 and 61s. Alright, well, I need to give him a shout and see what he wants to do here. I don't know. This one looks like it was bigger, but hell, it's so burnt up that who knows. Who knows? Anyway, we all get our parts from the same place. Let's see, we have dielectric SO239s. Nothing is wrong with them, except if you get them too hot, they want to turn. That one is tight. This one here is just a little bit loose. Probably be fine though. Let's see what else is going on here. Might have to just put some seeds in it or something. That's all I know. Let me give him a call and we'll go from there. Let's see, I got somebody sent me a power supply. That was fixed volts. They want me to make it variable volts, so I got to pull the supplies out, modify them. Supposed to be a 6-pill in there and something else. I ain't sure. But anyway, all right. We'll get going on this thing as soon as I talk to the owner. 73's y'all. Oh, Lord. Real nice hand though.